जर्नी ऑफ अ डॉक्टर आज हम लोग अपनी करियर का प्लानिंग करके छोड़ेंगे। आज भी एक स्पेशलिस्ट आ रहे हैं। ओके, टुडे ही इज कमिंग, डॉक्टर नितिन गर्ग is coming, and he's a very senior doctor, and he's just there to spend around half an hour with you, just to tell you how the journey is there, to tell you how when you enter into MBBS what is going to happen with you. There are hundreds of students right now. I'm sure they will all make the best out of this session. Take his experience, understand his life story, and please get your maximum motivation before your NEET results.
Today, we are in a very esteemed company. Today, for the session, and for your interaction, we have Dr. Nitin Garg with us. I will give a quick introduction of him. Dr. Garg is a senior consultant neurosurgeon and minimally invasive spine surgeon at Bansal Hospital, Bhopal. After having worked at Nimhans, Bangalore in 2007, he joined BMHRC till 2014. He has performed more than 7,500 neurosurgical procedures. Students, बहुत बड़ा number है ये. In addition, he has numerous publications to his name. He is also founder of a patient support group for brain tumor patients called as the Brain Tumor Support Group, BTSG, and Awareness Foundation India. So I welcome Dr. Garg on this panel today. So the very basic and the first question, what was your motivation to decide the career of medicine or choosing MBBS as a field, sir? What was your basic motivation?
Right, you see, whenever we choose some profession, what personality traits you have, I think they do count. And this I am telling you now, after being in this field for 20-25 years. But I am sure that the children who are hearing this, so for a doctor, basically you need two basic things. One is compassion towards your fellow human being, and the desire to relieve suffering of any person who is suffering from a medical condition. A neurologist never operates. So neurologist is also called as neurophysician. A neurosurgeon is a surgeon. He will treat those conditions which can be treated surgically. So he does his MBBS and then he does his general surgery, MS in general surgery, and then he does his MCH, which is Magister Chirurgery in neurosurgery. So the basic field is neurosciences, and you have two parts, neurologist and a neurosurgeon. One operates, one doesn't operate. But one is also important, like treating epilepsy, treating multiple sclerosis. There are so many illnesses. And I would say that neurosurgeon actually deals with maybe around 20-30% of neurological illnesses. A neurologist deals with around 60% of the neurological illnesses. I hope that is clear. But पैसे का, अभी आप बहुत छोटे हो, आप अभी से पैसा सोचोगे तो आपको फिर डॉक्टर नहीं बनना चाहिए, फिर आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहिए, आपको बिजनेस में जाना चाहिए, इंडस्ट्रीज बनना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ पे और भी पैसा है. So what I mean to say is, look, you are becoming a doctor, you are not becoming a financial person. Of course, there is good money in neurosurgery, but it comes at a cost. And believe me, even if you have money, you may not have the time to enjoy that money. So don't keep money as your motivation to become a neurosurgeon, or for that matter, any other specialty. Your motivation should always be patient safety, patient care. Money flows. If you are genuinely concerned about your own patients.